Pilipinas, naalala niyo pa ba nung naglalaro tayo ng bubbles?
Yes!
Samahan niyo ako at balikan natin ang ating kabataan.
Naalala ko noon, kukuha ka pa ng maraming gumamela.
Yes!
Tapos, sinong gagamitin mo para bumula, di ba?
Paano kaya kung may pasok natin ng isang tornado bubble? Papakitaan ko kayo ng carousel. Napakasaya ng mga bata pag sumasakay sa carousel. Ladies and gentlemen, the double bubble carousel.
Mahal siguro ng entrance dyan. From Big Chicks to Bubble Chicks.
Yes, better, yeah. With the
Kaya kayang mag-apoy ng isang bubble? Ladies and gentlemen, let's see the fire bubble. Ladies and gentlemen, it's snowing in the Philippines. Everybody hands up! It's snowing in the Philippines, the bubble snow. Thank you.
Talagang kaya ka pala naimbitahan ng royal family. Nabigyan ka ba ng bonus?
Apo, nabigyan na.
No, I could see why these types of acts kinukuha talaga sa mga events kasi kakaiba siya, di ba? It's something that we don't see a lot and I'm happy na nandito ka ngayon sa Pilipinas. Salamat, sir.
Alam mo, meron ako kasing parang nothing but good memories every time I see yung mga bubbles na ganyan. Kasi growing up yun, di ba, uso. Nung nasa probinsya pa ako. So, ang galing kasi parang binalik mo kami sa childhood ko. Ako, in childhood ko. So, good job and congratulations also. Kasi saludo tayo, of course, sa mga OFWs natin. We have so much respect sa inyong lahat. So, thank you.
Ako, pag binanggit mo yung Bubbles, ang naalala ko yung unang-unang date ko, ang pangalan niya, Bubbles.
Nasa to kaya siya?
Meron ka palang ibang nagising na memory. Kay Sir Freddy. Hindi lang basta childhood. First date. It's time for us to vote.
Medyo hindi lang po ako sure kung sapat ba ito for the next round. So for now, I would say no. Maraming salamat, sir.
Julio, congratulations sa naabot mo. For now, I'm just saying no. But it doesn't mean you stop. Okay?
Nakulangan ako. Oh. So, I would say no.
But wait!
Oh, wait! Wait!
Kasi hindi naman dito nagtatapos lahat. Actually, maganda tong opportunity. Patuloy ka nakakapagpasaya sa amin lahat. At for sure, sa marami pang mag-iimbita sa'yo after ka nila mapanood sa Pilipinas Got
Ay, totoo.
Talent. And you're going home with one yes. So I hope that one yes will keep you going. Thank you.